Want deep bass without losing cabin space? In this video, we review the top 5 underseat subwoofers on Amazon that deliver powerful, compact bass performance for any vehicle. First up is the Rockville USS10, a slim 10-inch powered subwoofer that offers a great balance between bass response and installation flexibility. With 200 watts RMS and 800 watts peak power, it delivers solid low-end punch while maintaining clarity. It features a built-in Class D amplifier, adjustable gain, low-pass filter, and a phase switch, allowing you to tailor the sound to your vehicle's acoustics. At just 2.9 inches tall, the USS10 easily fits under most front seats, making it a favorite among drivers who want minimal intrusion into cabin space. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their factory sound system with stronger bass and more control. Next, we have the Rockville RW10CA, another 10-inch model with a slightly slimmer profile at 2.7 inches. Like the USS10, it delivers 200 watts RMS and peaks at 800 watts, but its compact form factor makes it even easier to install under tighter seat frame. It features RCA and high-level inputs, remote bass control, and built-in thermal, overload, and short-circuit protection. Users often praise the RW10CA for its clean, tight bass and straightforward installation. It's especially popular with daily drivers and commuters who want an affordable and reliable bass upgrade without overhauling their entire audio system. For those looking for something a bit more compact, the Rockville RW8CA steps in with an 8-inch subwoofer and a peak output of 600 watts. It delivers 150 watts RMS and is designed for smaller vehicles or installations where every inch of space counts. One of the best parts about this model is that it includes a full wiring kit, which adds convenience and value. Despite its smaller size, the RW8CA still produces deep, punchy bass that significantly enhances the listening experience over standard door speakers. Adjustable crossover controls and bass boost functionality give users flexibility in dialing in the right tone for their music preferences. Our premium pick on this list is the Kicker 46 HS10 Hideaway, a compact-powered 10-inch subwoofer that's built for audio enthusiasts who want pro-level performance in a discreet form. At just around 3 inches tall, it easily fits under most seats and comes with a quick connect power harness and remote bass control. The 150-watt built-in amplifier drives tight, distortion-free bass that blends well with factory or upgraded systems. Kicker is a trusted name in car audio, and the 46 HS10 continues that legacy with its solid build quality and reliable sound. It's a bit pricier than the Rockville models, but for those seeking clean, controlled, low-end response with minimal hassle, it's well worth the investment. Finally, we have the Rockville SS8P, a budget-friendly 8-inch underseat subwoofer offering 100 watts RMS and up to 400 watts peak power. While not as powerful as the others on this list, it still adds a satisfying low-end layer to your music and performs well in compact installation. It features a built-in amplifier, phase control, gain adjustment, and a low-pass crossover, all of which help you fine-tune the sound. The SS8P's steel and MDF construction provides solid durability, and its simple design makes it an excellent choice for beginners or those upgrading on a budget.